Modern culture more or less trains us to expect speed. Fast entertainment, fast information, fast deliveries, fast recognition, fast success. But money often operates through a delayed reward type of system. And delayed reward really does test emotional stability more than talent itself. Many of us abandon meaningful paths because the results do not appear quickly enough to reassure them emotionally. Timing affects financial flow because trust, skill, and reputation take time to mature. Real growth often happens quietly before becoming visibly external. And this can create tension between the pace of reality and the pace of our human expectations. When we become more grounded, we learn how to tolerate this gap. We understand that a lack of immediate reward does not always mean a lack of progress. Some forms of financial growth are compounding invisibly through relationships, consistency, changes in energy, and accumulated understanding and development. Societies and cultures themselves even struggle with impatience. Entire economies can become obsessed with short-term stimulation while neglecting long-term stability. And this will create cycles of emotional volatility and excess that are then followed by correction. Spiritually, delayed reward can deepen awareness. It can teach us how to continue acting with care, even when applause or financial validation has not yet fully arrived. It strengthens discipline without requiring constant external confirmation. So becoming more at peace with our finances will grow when our nervous system stops demanding instant proof that our life is working, when in truth it is always working. Having a sense of patience about this is not passive resignation. It is active trust combined with continued movement. Sometimes timing is less about waiting for life to change and more about becoming stable and true enough within who we are to continue building without emotional collapse.